Good morning, you guys. Well, I guess it's not morning for you guys because I probably posted this in the afternoon, but I'm filming this in the morning. So, good afternoon, you guys. If you are new here, I am Brianna. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. We are almost at 200. I think we're at like 197. Let's try to get to 200 with this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. But I'm not even gonna do much rambling. We're just gonna get right into the video because y'all already know it's October. Okay, guys, so if you haven't seen any of my other unboxings of Boxycharm, I will tell you guys a little bit about it. It is a subscription box. I pay about $20 to $25 each month. You are guaranteed products, full-size products in the box that all equal out to $150 or more. In my opinion, it is completely worth it. I get a mix of skincare, hair care, and makeup. So to me, it's completely worth it. Especially, I like trying new things and I don't really know where to start with trying new things. Let me also tell you guys, I am not affiliated with Boxycharm in any kind of way. So this is my sole and honest opinion on the boxes. At the end of the boxes, we add up all of our price to see was it really worth it or anything. So yeah, I have my link down below. It doesn't really help anything. It just helps me accumulate points for, I guess, prizes. Not prizes, but other products I might be interested in buying that other people got in their boxes. So some exciting news is my box usually comes with 3 to 4 full-size items. This month they gave an extra item in a box. I don't know why. I don't ask any questions why, but I did get it in my email that they were sending an extra item in the box. So let's open up the box. So you guys know me, I've already opened the box, obviously, but this is how my box came. So I think this is the extra item that we got, and we'll go over that. Removing this, here's the rest of my items in the box. So let's start. So each box comes with a card. So this month is Spellbound, and I'm assuming this is for, October. It's Halloween. And they have pop-up shops. I'm going to read more of this. I will be right back and tell you guys exactly what this is. Okay, guys. So on Boxycharm's website, you can go in and you can buy, like I said, other products that you may have not gotten in a box. Say you started your subscription and there was a box before that you wanted an item. So they have it where you can go in and buy. So these are like add-ons and like pop-up shops. So like October 11th, they had 70% off. November 8th, they have 80% off. And then early November, they have an annual blowout sale. So this is just telling me and giving me all the wonderful details. But on the back side of this card, it tells me everything that I got and the prices. But if you're new here, we do that at the end. So our first one is by Beauty Bakery. I actually have a setting powder by them that I absolutely love. This is an eyeshadow palette. It is called Breakfast in Bed. Oh, this is purples. So, like I said, I'm not a beauty guru or anything. So I know that is such a bad glare. Okay, that's better. Maybe I should take that off. Yeah, that would make sense. Duh, Brie. There we go. So these are the colors. We are going to roll my sleeve up because when Frank sees this video, he's going to be upset that I'm in his jacket, but he'll be okay. But if I get makeup on his jacket, yeah, that's going to be a different story. So this that I'm going on with is called Pajamas. Okay, after 2 coats, that's what it looks like. Not bad. The next one is called Yawning. So with my fingers, it seems like I have to go in twice with it. So I'm assuming maybe a wet brush might be better. This is called Fresh Face. This is what it looks like on my finger. You guys, that is such a pretty color. And that's what it looks like. Maybe I should put my selfie light on. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, maybe that's better. I just don't like the glare that it has in my eyes because it looks weird, but that's a little, if that's a little better, those are the colors. The first one, Pajamas. The second one is Yawning, and the third one is Fresh Face. So I say I'm going to have some fun with that because I don't think purple is my color, but I like to mix and match, so you never know. Our next item is from Beauty Bakery again. It is this Milk and Honey Highlight Palette by Beauty Bakery. This is actually such cute packaging. Let's, ooh. So we have Oh Honey, Queen Being, Be Sweet, and spoiler alert. I actually cannot wait to get into this. This is spoiler alert. Oh yes. I know y'all see that. This is Be Sweet. The kids are about to open the door. I can hear them. This is Queen Being. Don't mind the cut on my hand, y'all. And this is Oh Honey on the bottom. Guys, I cannot wait to try this palette out. I love, love, love a highlighter. But from what I'm seeing, I don't think I'm going to be able to do a full face, which is okay because when I use the look or when I use the product, I'm definitely going to be posting it on my Instagram. You know, make sure to follow me down below, you guys. Okay, so our next item is, I don't know if that's Tulip or Fulip. I'm trying to see if there's a website because I cannot read it, guys. That is bad. It is called, I'm just gonna look at the card that I have. It is called Julep. These are makeup removing wipes. Actually, I'm about to use one now, so you guys are going to get a full, you know, live review. These have pore refining, witch hazel cleansing. So let's see if I can open it. Okay. I guess not really a scent. Okay. These are actually really soft, which I like. I've had some in the past that are just like so rough to my face. It leaves my face like red. Not because I took my makeup off and my face is going to be red, but like red because they're so rough, almost like they're dry. So actually, these are definitely probably going to be like a 9 out of 10 for me and it took the makeup off so easily. So these are makeup wipes. Next item is this Kinder Beauty lip mask, which is perfect because I've been looking for a lip mask or a lip scrub. So I'm actually really looking forward to trying this out. Let's possibly open this. Maybe not. Guys, what in the world? Why? I have the worst luck opening boxes and mail. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't really say it has a scent or a flavor. It just says hydrating lip mask. Apply generous, even layer, dry lips, and leave on. So this is a mask. Let's see if I can actually open this, or if I need to go get something to open this. I hope not. Okay guys, I'll be right back to open this. It's taking forever and a day to open this. I finally opened it. So it looks like a bomb. Me personally probably gonna use it overnight because I noticed having a face mask on really is starting to dry my lips out. Especially if you guys did not know, I do live in North Carolina and the weather is bipolar down here, where one day you are in a sweater because you're freezing and the next day you can wear shorts, you know, aka pneumonia weather. But it gets so hot. We took the kids to the pumpkin patch, and if you did not see that video, it is the last video I posted, so make sure to go check it out. But y'all, it was 80 degrees when we took the kids to the pumpkin patch, and I've been down here for 6 years. I'm still not used to the weather down here, but it is what it is at this point. I personally miss New York. I miss the snow, and when I tell people that, people think that I am crazy. But at least in New York, it's not 80 degrees one day and 45 degrees the next. It's just a steady, continuous weather, because one thing that I've noticed, especially having kids, they're so prone to getting sick. But keep up with those vitamins, guys. Our next item is this resurfacing face cream by Milan and Gotez. I'm sorry if I butchered that name. I really do apologize. It says apply onto clean skin daily, follow with a moisturizer and SPF for daytime use. I like to see what bottles look like, you know. Okay, this is the bottle. It comes with a syringe and it's kind of like a milky. So yeah, I have a serum that I'm using now, and vitamin C serum, but I think I'm almost out of the other one, so I'll probably be giving this a try soon, or I might just use this at night and use the other one during the day. But our last product is by Laura Geller. It is a hydrating and replenish. I believe this is a primer. Yes, this is a primer. This is crazy, guys. This is like the third primer I have gotten from them, so I cannot promise when I will get to this, but when I do, I will make sure you guys see it. Make sure to follow me. Yeah, especially with the cold weather coming up and everything, it's getting easier to wear makeup with a face mask because I'm not constantly sweating out my makeup when I have my face mask on. So yeah, I will be using this, and hopefully, you know, me and Frank will go on some more dates and whatnot with weather getting colder and everything else. Things to do with the children, go out and find stuff to do, like outdoor stuff. So let me go do some prices and I'll be right back. So I know this is a bit of a setting change and everything, and hair's done, makeup's done. You're like, Brie, what is going on? For one, the highlight that I have on is from the palette because I'm about to use the makeup wipes, and I promised you guys I would do a face with the palette on. But I was trying to edit the video before I did my review for the makeup wipes and the highlight, and the portion that I did for the pricing for some reason just will not link on the rest of the video. I don't know why, but I don't want to leave you guys hanging with, you know, what were the prices. I don't have the actual physical products with me right now, but I did write down the prices. So the highlighting palette that I got was $38. The primer that I got was $32. The lip mask was $20. The serum was $70, which is a little pricey for me, but we'll see how it works. And the makeup wipes were $20, with a grand total of $180. Meanwhile, guys, I only spend about $20 to $25. I'll have to double check for my next video. But for about $20 to $25, I'm getting $180 worth of products. That is such a steal. But like I said, guys, I apologize. I don't know what's going on with my phone or the app or whatever it is, but this is the prices, and that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.